Welcome to the dating game! Let's meet our contestants! Girl number 1 is Miley. And here's contestant number 2. Her name's Arya. And finally, Ryan, our boy of the day! Hey girls. So, what do you think of our contestants?
What's up?
So you're picking number 1? No. Then number 2? No, they both gotta glow up. We can make that happen.
Where are we? Huh? Ah! Ah! What are we wearing?
Oh, I kinda like it.
I look like a grandma. Time for a fresh fit.
Oh, cute!
Not so fast.
Whoa!
Watch and learn. Ugh. Nope. This one's bad too. No, what a mess. Is there seriously nothing good here? What's this?
Hey, who turned out the lights?
Ugh. Oh, it's you.
You done?
Actually, this might help. There. Much better.
Wow, you look amazing! My turn. Ew. Oh, this one's perfect! Yeah!
What the?
Oops, sorry.
If you want an autograph, just ask. Here. You're welcome.
Okay then. Well, let's try it on. Come on. Uh-oh. Wait. There. Way better.
Looks like the top is sorted. This should be fun. Let's see what we've got. Pink? Ew. White? Even worse. This has gotta be a joke.
Ooh, I'm keeping this one.
Ugh, gotta dig deeper. Ugh. Oh, getting better. Ugh, these pants are ripped. What do I do? Oh. I have an idea. Let's begin. Lay the jeans out. Time to fix you up. Add some metal rings. And loop this chain through them, just like that. Done. Way cooler. Let's see how they look. A bit tight. Oh! Ouch! What's this? Time for some fun! Let's trim these pants a bit. Like this. Look what I found.
Whoa, is that for me?
Yep, it'll look great on you. Try it.
I love pink. Uh-oh.
That's hilarious!
Not funny! I'll fix it. Pin it right here. And add a few more. Now grab the pant legs, thread the ribbons through the pins, and tie them. Like that. All done. In your face.
Are you sure about this?
Stop staring!
Well, I guess the pants situation is handled.
What's next? Oh. I think I found what I need. So pretty. Wow.
Huh? Maybe I've got something too. Let's see. Oh, just junk.
Check out my necklace. It looks so good on me, right?
Not for long. Oh yeah, it's super cool. Let me see. Oops. Come on, there's still some pearls left. See?
My necklace!
You okay? Whatever, I'll make my own. First, thread a few pearls onto a needle and make the necklace shorter. Now tie a black bow to decorate it. And done. Perfect necklace. Are you still crying? probably apologize. Apology on wheels.
Huh? What's that? Nope. Apology not accepted.
Ugh. Guess I need to send more notes. Go, little cars!
Seriously? Although, I think I've got an idea.
Flip the car over. Put a rubber band on it, like that. Now pull the band. And hook the belt through. Add more cars. And done! Now that's what I call exclusive design. Try-on time! I love it! Finally, she calmed down. There we go. Accessories ready. Oh, looks like it's makeup time.
Where did all this come from? Wow, it has literally everything!
You're right. Awesome.
Hey!
Right, this is exactly what I need. Huh? What the heck? Are you okay?
Soon we'll be together, my love. Kiss me.
What is happening? Let's try drawing some eyelines. Okay, here we go. Just like that. Now let's see how it looks. Oh, that's awful.
Did you say something?
There. Done. Ugh, this is terrible.
Hey, quiet down.
Curse this.
1 sec, darling. What?
I can't draw my eyeliner right.
First, let's clean you up. That's better. Huh? Ew, gross. Now grab some tape and stick it on like this.
Ah!
Shh! Sit still. There. Done. Now tape your eyelids.
Okay.
Good. Now you can do your makeup easily. I'm back! Miss me?
She's totally losing it. Hopefully this works now. Great. Time to take the tape off. Please don't turn into waxing. Ouch. Check this out. Oh my. You better begin with your own makeup.
No problem. Here's a heart for you, darling. And another one. You're so handsome. Great. This gives me an idea. Stick a few hearts here and add powder on top. Great. Now peel off the stickers and add some gems. Like that. Real magic right here. Hey, look.
Ooh, not bad.
I've got a gem for you too, beauty.
If you say so. At least we're finally ready.
Woo-hoo!
Hello again, friends! Looks like our contestants are back! And this time they look totally different! Seems like they used every trick to transform, and now it's time for Ryan to give one of them his rose. Will it be girl number 1? Or maybe number 2? I've made my choice. Then go ahead, give the rose to your pick! This is the big moment, friends! I choose you.
What?
Now kiss me.
Okay.
Oh, I can't watch this! No way! Impossible!
Wait. I don't need this. Let's just be besties instead.
This show sucks!
You wanna be my friend?
Yeah, here. I think we really bonded while dressing up.
Awesome! Then let's go, bestie! Whee! Such a lovely day. And Ken is here with me. Wow, he's so handsome.
Hey, beautiful, look what I've got for you.
Oh, Ken, it's so romantic. Thank you.
Huh? Kiss the mermaid.
What?
Sorry, Barbie. Mermaids are better.
Let's go, Ken.
Sure.
Live this ugly one. Oh no! He likes mermaids more! Oh, look at this handsome one. He's gorgeous.
And I was like, give me the ball. And boom!
I'm better than her. He just needs to see me.
What? Barbie?
Hi, Ken.
Sorry, Barbie. Mermaids are better.
Just leave her. Aw, he likes mermaids more. What's wrong with me? What, the legs? Right, it must be it. Yet no challenge will ever stop me. But what I need to do? If you want to be a mermaid, you will need a tail. Oh, hope it won't hurt. But you're right, let's do it. First, let's change my shoes. These flippers will do so much better. Now some duct tape. All over it. Great. And now I need something shiny.
Try these.
Ugh. This one, no. This is just what I need. Just pour it all up here. The more, the better. Nice and shiny. Done. Another one? Nope. Now I look fabulous. Huh? Now you need to match the tail to your bra. To my bra? All right. And what could I use for it? These sweet beauties? Let's try some flowers on. No, not the best choice. What do we have here? Yellow journal style? Nah. My little ones? Also no. Oh, what to do? It's so hard to... Oh, this one looks nice. Let's try it on. Perfect. So nice and fancy. But my hair? All the mermaids have so bright and fancy hair. Let's pick up a color. Green? Nah. Orange? Also no. Yellow? Looks better, but no. Red? Yes, this might work. I just need to reach the machine. Here it is. So we'll put this one here. Put my hair too. And start the machine. Oh, well, it was worth it. Wow. And the clothes? Oopsie. That wasn't me, guys. Finally. What? Just wash it up, wash it off. Oops. Where was it? I need my face back. Phew, it's me again. But I still don't look like a mermaid. All right, let's add some fancy shadows. And put it right on the eyelids. Aha! The result is brilliant! Ooh, my stomach! I just need to order some food. Real Mermaid's one.
Knock, knock. Mermaid's delivery.
Ow, so fast! What have we got here? Fish? Ew, so smelly! Yet, you know what? This shiny skin might look really great on my face. Let's put this on. Choose the right shadow and put it gently right above it. Really carefully. Take it off and here we are, nice and shiny. And what's here? Pearls, fabulous! Let's add some too. Wow, this way it looks fantastic! Ow, what is it? A letter? Help? Oh, whatever. I'll just enjoy some water. Oh, Ken, I wish one day you will be mine.
Yes, beautiful.
is this? Oh, my lips! Though, it's not that bad. Just let's try it with some lipstick now. Just a little bit. Put it on. And voila! Beautiful! Wait! Earring! I need some earring! Let's make some too! Just choose up a form. Add some mermaid details. Stick it up together, very carefully. And add some pearls and glitter. Almost ready. Let's take a look. First and the second. Right what I needed. Wow! Now I look like a mermaid. Yay! So do you like how I look like? You look perfect. Ken is waiting. Yes!
Knock, knock.
Wait, who might it be?
Mermaid's delivery.
What? I didn't order it. Wait a minute. This voice, is it...
Wow, Barbie, you look so beautiful.
Oh, Ken.
Barbie,